So I've done my eyes, and you guys can see I use the Makeup Revolution concealer. I use as a foundation. You guys see, like, this matches my skin. Like, this one I have foundation and this is my bare skin, so this is what I'm going to use. And you just need just a few swipe on your face. You don't really need a lot, and my skin is getting better. Like, I'm so happy for the summer. My skin is really getting better. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the concealer, the C15. I'm just gonna like do like a swap like this. I don't really do a lot on the forehead. It's more like around my mouth, just like one. When you just dip one is enough around my nose. Like that. Just like one. You don't need to go in like twice, because this concealer is really full coverage. And then now it's time to blend. You have to blend faster because this concealer dries up. Can you guys see? Wow, I don't know if I'm going to use this as a foundation all the time, because this is beautiful. Like, this is so cool. Like, this C15 really matches my skin. Can you guys see that? This is so cool. This is so beautiful. Like, I love this. Whoa, my god, this is good. Like, even on my problem areas, I conceal around my mouth, because my mouth always have the dark. My mouth is concealed, like, just. So now that we're done with the foundation concealer, I'm all here for it. It is so beautiful. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. You should get a